the blizzard itself and its track up the East Coast, that was, you know, it got a lot of people's attention, and it was that brought the attention on the forecast process. The ability of numerical models to do this was really demonstrated to the American people. It was stunning how similar these cases were. The whole outbreak, the number of tornadoes, the area hit, the number of extreme tornadoes, and everything, right? The tornado length, a lot of big differences, longer lead time, watches, you know, 95% P.O.D., longer lead time on warnings, a whole different warning paradigm now with the modernized weather service and Doppler radar. And yet the deaths were 316 for 1974, 314 for 2011.
I know what you have to do. I mean, I really did feel what I had to do. And one of the things that I heard right away coming off the podium, you know, Joe Friday sent a message out and said, if you want to hear one of the, you know, really complimented me, I forget exactly what he said, you know, the finest piece of leadership I've seen, or something like that. You know, listen to the last 5 minutes of this. And I thought, because, you know, I mean, Joe hired me in, you know, he was part of the hiring process of me coming into the Weather Service. When I did good work, he'd say you did good work, and if I screwed up, he'd say you'd screw up. I mean, you know, there was no sugarcoating or whatever. But I really felt good when I saw that.